Hello everyone and welcome to another AtMaths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 1 Functions Long Question Example 3. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, let me read the question now. Given that fx equals to 9x plus 4 and gx equals to 3x plus 8, so the question asks to find fg inverse x. So that's for the question part A. For the question part B, they ask to find the value of x such that gf negative x equals to 23. Alright guys, I hope you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. Let us start to begin to show the solution for the question part A followed by the question part B. Okay, before I begin, okay, just a small reminder guys. Inverse question always will come together with the composite function question guys. So before you master the inverse function concept, make sure that you understand in-depthly of the composite function concept. Okay, let us begin. So for the step 1, what you're going to do is we're going to find the G inverse X. So how are we going to find the G inverse X? Okay, let me show you the step now. So for the first step, what we're going to do, we're going to let the G inverse X equals to Y. Moving on to the next step. Okay, and then from this step onwards, your G will be substituted inside the Y and then will be equals to X. Okay guys. So how we get this G inverse, you move it over to the right hand side, it will become G function guys. G inverse, when you move it over to the right hand side, will become original G function. So Gy will be equals to X. So from here you continue. So in the question they mentioned gx is equals to 3x plus 8. So since you've already let g as a function of, y inside the g function, so it will become 3y plus 8 equals to x. Okay, for the next step, what we're going to do, we're going to form an equation of y in terms of x. Okay, so 3y plus 8 equals to x. So from here, to get your y will be equals to x minus 8 over 3. So this positive 8, you move it over to the right hand side, will become x minus 8. And then 3y will be equals to x minus 8. So to get your y, what you do, you divide by 3. So from here, you get your y equals to x minus 8 over 3. Since in the question, we have already mentioned that your y is actually equals to g inverse x. So from here, you get your g inverse x is equals to x minus 8 over 3. So this is your step 1 guys. Okay, I hope you understand the working that I've shown to you so far. Okay, moving on to the step 2. So once you've already find the G inverse X, so for the second step, what you can do, now you can find the composite function of FG inverse X. Okay guys, let us continue. So we write here FG inverse X. So what is G inverse X? We have already find here, which is X minus 8 over 3. Okay, f in a bracket x minus 8 over 3. So close bracket. So this x minus 8 over 3 will be mapped into the function f guys. Since function f is 9x plus 4. So this x minus 8 over 3 will be mapped into the function fx guys. So from here, 9 in a bracket x minus 8 over 3 and then you plus with 4. Okay, this fraction 3 will cancel out, become 1, and from here your 9 will become 3. Okay. 3 you times with x minus 8, close bracket, and then you plus with 4. So from here you get 3x minus 24 and then you plus with 4. So you calculate this, you should get your fg inverse x is equals to 3x minus 20. So this is your final answer guys for the question part A. Okay, I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you for the question part A. So the step is pretty clear guys. So the first step, what you do, you find the G inverse, and then once you find the G inverse, and then you can proceed to find the composite function, which is FG inverse X. Okay, let me show you the remaining working in the next paper, so please hold on for a moment. Okay, For the question part B, they ask you to find the value of x such that your GF negative x is equals to 23. Okay, let us begin to show the working, guys. So this negative x will be mapped into the function f, guys. So from here, g in a bracket 9 you times with negative x plus 4 will be equals to 23. So you times in 9 inside the negative x. So from here you get g in a bracket negative 9x plus 4 will be equals to 23. Okay, this is for the function fx, guys. So this value negative 9x plus 4 will be mapped into the function gx. So from here 3 in a bracket negative 9x plus 4 close bracket will be plus with 8 and then you equals to 23. So for the next step, what you do, this 3 you times in. So from here you get negative 27 plus 12 plus 8 is equal to 23. So these 12 and 8 you plus them together, you get 20, and then the 20 you move it over to the right hand side, so it will become minus 20. So from here you get negative 27x will be equals to 3. So to get x, what you do, 3 you divide with negative 27. Okay, 3 divided with negative 27, you can simplify this, guys. So this 3 will become 1 and this 27 will become 9. So your final answer will be x equals to negative 1 over 9. So therefore your final answer will be x equals to negative 1 over 9. So this will be your final answer, guys. Okay, let me put back the question paper for your reference. So please hold on for a moment. Okay, that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. Before that, please tell me your feedback. How do you find out this question? Is the question easy or difficult? And most important thing, could you manage to solve this question? If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright guys, thank you everyone for your support and I'll see you in the next video.